In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Spotify mobile equalizer. Setting up the EQ in Spotify is a simple way to personalize how your music sounds. Whether you want deeper bass for beat-heavy tracks or clearer highs for vocals, acoustic songs, or podcasts, adjusting the equalizer can make a noticeable difference. The process is slightly different depending on your phone, and in this walkthrough, we're focusing on how it works on Android. To begin, open Spotify on your phone and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. From there, go into Settings and Privacy, then tap Playback. Scroll down until you see Equalizer and tap it. On Android, Spotify does not use its own built-in equalizer. Instead, this option opens your phone's native sound settings. Depending on your device, that could be something like audio effects or another built-in sound tool from your phone manufacturer. Once that screen opens, make sure the equalizer is turned on. If it's off, any changes you make won't affect your audio, so that's the first thing to check. After the equalizer is enabled, you'll usually see a graph with several frequency points that you can move up or down, along with a list of preset sound profiles. If you want the easiest setup, presets are a great place to start. They let you improve the sound quickly without having to fine-tune every frequency manually. For stronger low-end and more impact in bass-heavy music like hip-hop, rap, or EDM, try Bass Booster. This preset raises the lower frequencies so kick drums and bass lines feel fuller and more powerful. If you listen to podcasts, acoustic music, or vocal-focused tracks, Acoustic or Vocal Booster can be a better fit. These settings usually reduce some bass and bring out the mid-range, which helps voices and instruments sound cleaner and more defined. For a more balanced but energetic sound, rock or electronic presets often work well by adding punch to the lows while keeping guitars and synths crisp. If you prefer more control, you can manually adjust the sliders yourself. A popular starting point is the V-shape curve. To do that, raise the sliders on the left side slightly to boost the bass and add warmth. Keep the middle sliders around the center or dip them just a little if the audio sounds muddy. Then raise the sliders on the right side slightly to brighten the treble and give more sparkle to cymbals and higher notes. As a final tip, make small adjustments instead of dramatic ones. Tiny changes often sound better and more natural, especially when you test them with songs you know well. Once you find a sound profile you enjoy, your Spotify listening experience will feel much more customized and enjoyable.